Hello my dear flowers, how are you? I hope you will feel enjoyable. Today in English lecture we have lesson 10 and the sound is sound red. This is the picture of sound red. Wow, look at the picture. What can I see? Let's get started our story. Really, I like this story. It is very interesting. Are you ready? Yes, we are ready, dear teacher. Oh, it's a rainy day. Ram is in his bedroom. He has many toys. Look, this is horse, rat, rabbit, dog, seal, bear. And look at this is a rain of pictures hanging on the wall. And this is a racket also. This is racket. What? My God, Ram's dog is in his bedroom. He rips the mat and makes re sound. Hello, my dear Aladdin. He guided us to show some flashcards related to sound re. Oh, as a pet animal, and it is very beautiful. It has 4 legs and it has a long tail. It is horse. Great. And my mom has this one. Who can tell me what is this? It is ring. My mom has a ring. My dad has a ring. Look, it is very small. It has 4 legs and a long tail. The color of this animal is gray. What is this? It is rat. Excellent. Wow, it is very big. It has 4 legs and a small tail, and it is very slow. It is rhino. Great. Wow, it's a pet animal. It has 4 legs and a small tail, and it has many babies. It is rabbit. Excellent. It comes down in winter especially, and I like this weather. It is rain. It's a rainy day today. Wow, it's red and green. It is rose. Very good. Wow, what is this? Who can tell me? It is very small and many houses has this one. It is rug. Excellent. Wow, here are the animals. The animals want to spend some time on this green hill. Let's send all the animals to this green hill. Let's get started. The first one is horse. The horse goes to the hill. Rabbit, rat, rhino, and rose. Yes, they spend nice time on this green hill. Thank you, my dear flowers, for your listening. Have a nice time. Bye bye.